Welcome to Immaculate Art of Mary Matriculation School online class. Good morning students. I hope you are all fine and staying safe at home. Already we learnt about the lesson force from science. Today I'll recap about the force. Force is a push or a pull on an object which make it move, changes its shape or stops it from moving. Force involves an interaction between two or more objects. Without force, we cannot move any object. When a force is applied in the direction of an object is called push. Pushing the table from one place to another, pushing the trolley, pushing the car when it's breakdown and closing the door are the examples for pushing. What is pull? When a force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of an object is called pull. Opening the door or pulling the car, pulling rope in tug of war, pulling rope to bring water from the well are the examples for pulling. Force changes the direction, the speed, stop a moving object and change the shape or the effects of forces. Children, now we are going to learn the types of force. Contact force and non-contact force are the two types of force. What is contact force? When a force is applied by touching the object, it is called contact force. Example is lighting a matchstick. This contact force classified into three types. They are muscular force, mechanical force and frictional force. Now, we'll see the muscular force. The force applied by using the parts of our body is called muscular force. Pedaling the cycle and making the parts. These are the examples for muscular force because we use our legs to pedal the cycle and we use our hands to make parts. Next is mechanical force. The force applied by a machine is called mechanical force. Using bulldozer to dig ground and we use mixer grinder for grinding are the examples for mechanical force. Now, we'll see the frictional force. Frictional force refers to the force generated by two surfaces that contact and slide against each other. Example, when we roll down a ball on grassland, it slows down and finally stops. We know that an object cannot stop without force. The force that stops the ball is frictional force. Another example is in leisure time, the early man was rubbing two stones together. What happened? Sparks came out from the stones by the frictional force. Matchbox, sliding, running car on the road are the examples for frictional force. Now, we'll see the non-contact force. The non-contact force is classified into two. What is non-contact force? When a force is applied without touching an object is called non-contact force. Non-contact force is classified into two. They are gravitational force and magnetic force. What is gravitational force? The earth pulls all the objects towards itself. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. For example, when the ball is thrown towards the sky, it returns back to the earth due to the gravitational force. The gravitational force was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. Another force is magnetic force. If we show any iron objects to the magnet, what happens? The magnet attracts all the iron things itself. The force that attracts thing is called magnetic force. The magnet attracts the iron needle, nail, pin, rod, etc. are the examples for the magnetic force. So, force involves an interaction between two or more objects and it can lift or drop an object. I conclude that without force we cannot move any object. Children, I hope you all understood about the force, pull, push and types of force. Children, now I am going to give an assignment. Put date and write the assignment neatly in the assignment notebook. While you are coming to school, bring this assignment and submit. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Stay at home. Bye children.